The Ghost Tree Gully project site covers a substantial area spanning management units 14, 16, 17 and 18 of the 2001-2006 Vegetation Management Plan. Callithrix pressii, the southern cypress pine, Goodenia albiflora, the white goodenia, Goodenia amplexans, the clasping goodenia, Goodenia pinnatifida, the cut-leaf goodenia, Lomandra collina, an irongrass, Lotus australis, the Australian trefoil, Malva bayeriana, the native hollyhock, Melaleuca lanceolata, the dryland tea tree, Myoporum viscosum, the sticky bubiala, Pomaderus paniculosa subspecies paniculosa, the Mallee pomaderus, and Prostranthera bayeriana, the downy mintbush, are all species of conservation significance identified as growing in these management units. Olive, bridal creeper, dog rose, fennel, Aleppo pine, blackberry, boneseed, desert ash, radiata pine, watsonia, blowfly bush and boxthorn are all feral species with priority for removal. The area was previously grazed and has many other native and weed species present. The Ghost Tree Gully project site started in collaboration with the Campbelltown Rotary Club in 1990, where it was described as a 3-year project with possible extension. The first work report, which can be located, is dated the 5th of May 1991. It lists Campbelltown Rotary Club as the volunteer group, with Tom Mills the contact person. Kieran Brewer from the Friends of Black Hill and Morialta was the project coordinator. Activities recorded in the working bee were planting of original vegetation, planted 400 species between 9 a.m. and 2 p.m. Seedling olives were mattocked out. On the 7th of May 1991, the general area was searched for larger olives which required cutting and painting. Associated species were removed, that is, dog rose, the apple of Sodom. Subsequent work reports identified further work undertaken on the control of olive and dog rose. Boneseed and Acacia artiophylla were also recorded in the area as being removed. The working bee of the 31st of May 1992 recorded the planting of a further 429 plants by 15 persons, and on 13th of June 1993 a further 361 plants were planted. This early work has shaped the landscape we see today. Mention was first made of bridal creeper at the site in the work report dated the 14th of August 1993. Significant effort has been put into the control of bridal creeper, including spot spraying with herbicide and hand pulling. In 2005, the bridal creeper rust was released, and this appears to have taken, although is yet to show significant impact. Other natural events have impact on the landscape. In early November 2005, extraordinarily heavy rain caused a landslip at the top of the Ghost Tree Gully, immediately below the Black Hill fire track. Local Mr. Tucker reported hearing the roaring noise from his home at the bottom of the gully at about 10 p.m. The mud, rocks and water scoured the gully, sweeping up everything in its wake. No distinction was made between native and feral species in this natural event. Only substantial trees were left standing, and these were scarred by the impact of the hurtling debris. The watercourse was left etched to underlying rocks. It was as if the bones of the earth had been exposed, and there was significant damage to the Ghost Tree Gully track. Fires, including controlled burns, have also had a significant impact on the area. In particular, a controlled burn along the edge of the park near Addison Avenue entrance has resulted in very dense regrowth, particularly of Callithrix tetragona, Chrysocephalum apiculatum, Goodenia amplexans, Myoporum viscosum, Prostranthera bayeriana, and Stipa elegantissima. At least 1,291 volunteer hours have been worked on this project site by the Friends of Black Hill Morialta and the Campbelltown Rotary Club. Even as recent as 2005, areas of Gardenia albiflora, Gardenia pinnatifida, and Malva plebea were located that were not previously identified in the Vegetation Management Plan. These are exciting finds, but more work is required to protect these significant species from being overcome by feral weeds such as olive and dog rose.